firewalls to keep hackers at bay.
Tingnan natin.
Ongoing malware detection to help prevent threats. Security certification to provide more peace of mind to your customers. Choose GoDaddy, a globally trusted specialist to help protect your site and your data today.
Ito din. Sa akin din. Diba? I told you.
Ano? Bahala ka basta ang ano ko makulot mo yan ah.
Ay, papalitan ko talaga ito ng ano.
Gusto ko kaya ulit dito bukas papuntang trabaho, no?